Okay, Dacayana Escrima, Disarm number 7. So technically number 7 doesn't come off angle 7 with this one. This is more used when we do close range bala with a single stick. So what this comes in, this will be like a downward thrust position. So as he comes in from here, it's a downward thrust. So we go to this position, it's like an X block, check block position here from there. Okay, so now your left hand is going to control and bring down. Okay, and what you're going to create is your left leg is going to come up with a knee. Okay, and then you're just going to bring that as a wall, and that passes and disarms the stick. Now the biggest fault with this is where people do this with their knee. Okay, this just needs to be the barrier. Okay, and the stick gets disarmed against the barrier. What it shouldn't be is that the stick's there and you're pushing the leg out, because you miss the purpose of what that leg is creating the barrier for. So from here, I block, I bring the stick down with my left, controlling the wrist, okay, with the grip. I bring my left leg up and just leave that leg straight, and then just strip it. Okay, then that can obviously follow through with whatever I need to with the 5 consecutive strikes. Okay, so that's Dacayana Disarm number 7.